Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Tim Martinez. So for today's recipe, we will cook a French dish originated in Nice, France. They call it Ratatouille. Probably you've seen this in the movie Disney Channel, Ratatouille. But I can assure you that this is healthy and delicious food. So let's go. So these are the ingredients for the Ratatouille. So for the sauce, we will need 2 cloves of garlic, 3 pieces of carrots, 2 onions, 2 bell pepper, 1 red and 1 yellow, 2 kilos of tomato, fresh tomato, and then for the toppings we will put this one, sliced aubergine, very thin, sliced courgette as well, cut in thin. We have red onion and sliced tomato, and we will use olive oil virgin extra, pepper, oregano, paprika, and pressed basil. So let's start. So first we will saute the sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil with virgin extra. You can now put the sliced garlic, and the onions, and saute it well. Now we can add the carrots. And add the bell pepper as well. And the tomatoes. Put together. So we can add basil, black pepper, paprika, and oregano, salt and pepper. Mix them well. So let it cook. Cover it and let it cook. Wow! Ang sarap ng amoy niya. The aroma of basil and the oregano. Sarap. Now we can blend it and strain. Start. And we can now strain it. Now that we have the sauce ready, we can put it in the base. Let's do the layers. So first, aubergine, courgette, tomato, onion. Aubergine, courgette, tomato, onion. No, it's okay. We can put olive oil on the top. Herbs. We have thyme, rosemary, oregano. Salt and pepper. More olive oil. So there you go. Into the oven. We can now put it into the oven. Previously preheated. So let's go. So now we can manipulate tomato. And that's it. A little bit olive oil. That's it. So there you go po, our vegetarian dish for today, ratatouille. So hope you like it. Please support my channel, Tim Martinez. Like and subscribe to my channel, guys, please, for more recipe and vlog. Thank you. God bless.